Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've forgotten your Lloyds Bank app password, you can reset it directly from the login screen. Open your Lloyds app and then click on I've forgotten my logon details. Then click on change your password. After that, enter your user ID, then your first name, then your last name. After that, enter your date of birth and then click continue. You may be asked to verify your identity using a code sent to your registered code. Open your SMS and then check whether you have gotten the code or not. Once you've received the code, enter the code inside the app and then once verified, create a new secure password. Make sure the password that you are entering is strong and unique so people won't have access to your data or privacy. After resetting your password, log in again using your new details. If you're unable to complete the reset process, contact Lloyd's customer support for assistance, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.